What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have another unboxing here. I got my replacement helmet that I ordered because I didn't like the yellow one. Turns out I'm keeping the yellow one. It's too much of a hassle to return, going back to China with the shipping and everything, so I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to sticker bomb it. It'll be my fun helmet for the summer. So here we go. I've got the helmet that I ordered here from Speed Addicts. Shipping was super quick. They have a nice return policy. So I'm looking forward to ordering from these guys in the future. They have awesome videos online too, unboxings, whole breakdowns of products. Really helpful. Those guys are great. So let's see what's in this box. Paper. A box in a box. This is the CKX Razor helmet. I wanted an open face shield helmet. If you watched my last video, you saw I was looking for an open face 3/4 style helmet with a shield in front that can flip up and down. This one, I wanted something that had a pin lock. This one did not have a pin lock, but it has a built-in anti-fog panel on it, so it should be pretty good. I won't have to add any of those films, anti-fog films, to it. Nice bag here for the helmet. Very nice. There's the logo, CKX. All right, let's open this guy up. It smells new. Gotta love that new helmet smell. Oh, I gotta untie this a little bit. They got it cinched up pretty tight with a little knot here. There we go. Okay. Put that over here. Nicely packaged, nicely padded. Ooh, this is pretty. This is nice. Wow. Minimal logoing. I can put a sticker over that if I want, but I don't care about that. That looks good. Let's see the flip up. Nice and rigid, feels good. I see that double pane there. If you can see in there, I'll put it close. You can see this outline here. You would normally put in your own anti-fog film on that, or they have like some wipes or sprays that you could put on to keep it from fogging up. This is really a snowmobile helmet. And so they have one that's just like this, but it's a heated visor. So you can have it stay warm, and then you'll have no fog, no condensation, no moisture collection on there. So this will be good for the winter and for the summer. It's got airflow here. It's got a vent, just a quick, easy flip up and down vent. The port out the back for good airflow across the top of the helmet to keep you cool in the summer. Let's see, there's also on the inside, there is the drop-down shaded visor. You can see that. That's pretty cool. It locks into place, locks up and locks down. Very nice. Just a little sliding lever here. And let's try it on. Nice quick release. No fumbling around with the double D hooks. Ooh, yeah. Nice and snug, proper fit. Yeah, I like this thing. I really like this. It feels so much more sturdy and substantial than that other one that I got. Man, this is great. I can't wait to ride with this thing. I'll do a nice review. Really cool. I love it. Very happy with this. CKX. I mean, a lot of people just put into their search bar motorcycle helmet, bike helmet. Who would have thought? Snowmobile helmet. It's awesome. I love it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.